Hello everyone. Today we will see how to pay the KVP online. So to start with, first of all, we will open our system. In our system, there are different types of browsers like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Internet Explorer, etc. Here I am using Google Chrome. So first of all, we will open Google Chrome. In Google Chrome search engine, we will write UBI KV fees and then enter. We will be directed to this page. In this page, the first option, online fees collection, Union Bank of India. We will click on this option, and after clicking, we will be directed to the UBI online fee payment page. Here we have to select the first option. Click here for online fees payment. So after clicking on it, we will be directed to another page. Here first option is there. Click here for online payment. We will click into this option. So here, important things to be noted here is student unique ID, date of birth. So to know the student's unique ID, we can get the unique ID from the student's ID card, or else from the fee receipt, previous fee receipts. For example, here it is a fee receipt of one of our student. So here this option, student unique identification number. So this is the student's unique ID. So we have to write this unique ID in this box. For example, I'm writing student unique ID of this student, then date of birth. Date of birth will serve as a password. Then we'll write captcha which is just above login. So we will write captcha SCHP and we will log in. Okay, so after login, we'll be directed to this page. In this page, we'll get information about the student, and one more option is there, make payment. We'll click on to this option. After clicking on to this option, we'll be directed to this page. Here we have to write the mobile number of the parent or the student and the email ID of parent or student. Here I am using this email ID. Okay. Now we will click on to make a payment. So after clicking on make the payment, we will be directed to this page. Here different modes of payments are there. We can choose any one of the option to make the online fee. First option is credit card. So in this option, we just enter credit card number, write the expiration date, year, and the CVV number. CVV number, you can find the CVV number at the back of the card, credit card. It looks like this. This is a ATM credit or debit card. So here at the back of the card, three digits are there. These are called CVV number, and in the front of the card, uh, this number we have to write, and expiration date is also mentioned here. This one, and name of the card holder. Then we can proceed to make the payment, and after clicking on make the payment, we will see it will ask for OTP. So after writing OTP, when we submit, so the payment will be done. Similarly for debit card, it is same as credit card, but in credit card, uh, some amount will be more because while paying with the credit card, some additional amount we have to pay for using credit card. So for debit card, same process. We have to write the card number, expiration date, year, CVV number, and the cardholder's name, make payment, and on the registered mobile number, you will receive an OTP, and after writing OTP, the payment will be done. Third option is debit card plus ATM pin. This option is limited for few banks only. Like here here are the list of banks we can choose to pay with debit card plus ATM pin. Okay, for example, I select Canara Bank and clicking on make the payment. So we'll be directed to payment interface. We have to write the card number, expiry date, yes, CVV number, cardholder's name, character, and then pay. Okay. And the fourth option is internet banking. Uh, Here also, from the list of banks given here, we have to select one of the bank and proceed for internet banking. So suppose if I choose any of the bank here, like Canara Bank or any bank, so after clicking on make the payment, will be directed to the page of that bank, internet banking page of that bank. Okay, so this is also one of the option. Again, we are into this page, so there are the mobile number and the email ID. Make a payment and will be directed to various options. Here, the fifth option, which is QR code. This is the most convenient one because by scanning, we can make the online payment. Just click on the scan. We can use any of the app like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Amazon Pay, Paytm, any of the app you are comfortable with or which is linked to your bank. You can use scanner of that app. Just scan it and automatically you will be directed to the payment page. And one more option is there, final one, which is UPI. So here again, go to the home, make payment, mobile. The last option, UPI. So by writing the UPI, for example, XYZ at the rate of YBL or ICICI, whatever the UPI is, you can write it and make the payment. So these are the few methods to pay the fee online. So I think it's clear little bit now. Okay, thank you.